Trey. It feels like springtime sunshine on my window. My heart is skipping and beating a different tempo. She's so dope, I don't need no endo. We so drawn together with no pencils. What is this feeling I'm feeling? I don't get it. I'm kinda nervous, but baby, I'm so ready. They tried to bring us down, but no, we won't let it. And if haters talking shit, then say fuck 'em and forget it. It's you and me just grooving to the beat so fluently, even my crew can see that I never ever felt this so new to me. So I'm clinging to your waist like that Louis V. It's like a scene that's so cliche, so meant to be, it's the only way. So say goodbye to them lonely days. Now we on cloud 9, let's float away.
You stay cool when life gets hectic. You're the only one I've been thinking of. Feel like I could never get close enough. I'm so drawn to you, magnetic. Baby, what you doing to me? Tugging on my heart, now pulling away.
You and me, baby, two peas in a pod. Too good to be true, like she's a mirage. When she walks by, people freeze and applaud. Atheists see her bite and believe in God, yeah. One kiss is like crap to me, like a trip to the Sugar Shack factory. She keeps me cooler than strawberry daiquiris. So sweet that your scent be attracting bees. Snow White, Cinderella.